need lip gloss now. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Julia here, back with another video. And in this video, I know if you guys have been watching me for the past 2 years, you know that I've been trying to pass my realtor license exam. I'm here to announce that I did it, and I have my license now to sell real estate in Massachusetts. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this was the hardest exam I ever had, and I will give you every single piece of advice I can if you are also struggling to get that license. So in Massachusetts, you need 40 hours of class time, and then after you're done with that and you get that certificate, you can start taking your exam, and you only have 2 years until your class expires. In Massachusetts, I believe it's unlimited attempts on the exam. I know in some states it's different. If you were or are a lost high school student like I was, because everybody was going off to their dream college and whatnot, and I despised school and I wanted to do something that's quick, not 4 years of my life. I always knew that I wasn't going to go to college, but I didn't want to necessarily stop learning, if that makes sense. High school was really hard for me. Tests, studying, just not my thing. Number one, I would say stop procrastinating and also make it your priority. So I almost didn't even pass it within the time frame of 2 years because I waited so long. It just made me anxious. So I would say take it extremely seriously and put it at the top of your priority list instead of like waiting like I did, because I just have so much we all have so much to juggle in our lives. It's okay to wait, but I think from the time where you finish your class to the time where you pass your exam is very crucial, because that class information is extremely fresh in your brain. Because I waited almost 2 years since my class, I think my brain just wasn't used to all this information and didn't remember it. Do it quickly and get it done. Put it at the top of your priority list. I wish I did things a lot more differently. I would have saved a lot of money. So moving forward to number 2, find your study style. Some people like to study an hour every day, and that is not me at all. For the real estate exam, there's a national section that has more questions, and there's math in there, and then the state question has less questions. State exam has less questions and there's no math. And I'm referring to Massachusetts just so there's no like confusion, because I don't know what goes on in the other states, honestly. I cannot sit down 2 hours every single day and study. I was going crazy. That is not my study style, and actually found I like to cram it in the day of. So I failed it quite a few times. I suck at exams, whatever. When I passed the big portion, I scheduled it for 4 p.m. I woke up at 6 a.m. and until I just kept doing practice exams over and over and over again on every single topic. I just kept going for hours straight. And I probably stopped around 3 o'clock to like let my brain calm down. My brain was fried from all the practice questions I answered. I probably did at least like 400, 500 practice questions, all from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. And then I had my exam at 4. I passed the hard portion. It was just me personally. If you can't sit down and study every single day, I think sometimes you might be better off just getting everything done in a day. And I swear, like, I have memory problems. Like, whatever I read yesterday, I'm not going to remember it today. So doing it the day of was like kind of perfect, but also might be seen as irresponsible, but it worked for me. I found my study style. That's all that matters. So number 3, I'm sure everybody talks about this website, Prep Agent. For about 1.5 years, I was avoiding Prep Agent. I'm like, that's expensive. I don't want it. I think I asked one of my friends on TikTok who's a realtor, and I just said, I'm losing my mind. I failed so many times. What do I do? And he said, get Prep Agent. I believe it was $100 for 3 months. If your 3 months expires, you get it 50% off, which is what I had to do. If you are going into real estate, I think we all need to have the mindset of it's okay to invest your money into the study materials. It's okay to invest your money into the class. This isn't a cheap No. The test is expensive. The license is expensive. You are going to be really cheap and holding on to every dollar. No. Invest into Prep Agent if you really struggle with school, because they have everything that you need. everything that you need on Prep Agent. I would highly recommend it. Without Prep Agent, I would not have freaking passed 100%. Invest in yourself, invest in your mindset, invest in your career, spend that money, especially if it's something for as important as this. And that's coming from someone, I'm so freaking cheap. It took me a while to make that decision. Flashcards on Amazon from the PSI exam thing. I don't know. You guys can find your study materials and invest in it. Number 4, I said don't be sad if you fail. I saw that fail in red capital letters so many times and I wanted to cry, but I didn't let myself cry. I told myself, you're booking the next one and you're not going to be sad about this. It doesn't matter how many times it takes, you still get the same license as everybody else. I've always been bad at school, tests, memorization, you name it, I suck at it. There's a reason I did not go to college. Don't be sad if you fail. Don't give up. Keep investing your money. Don't even look at the price of the stupid test. Just keep going. Keep trying. It's going to be a little ego killer for a little while, but once you get that license in your hand, it doesn't matter anymore because you did it and you didn't give up. This was by far the hardest thing that I had to do because I also I work a lot as a waitress. I have this YouTube hobby that I prioritize and I love so much, and I've had to walk away from you guys for weeks at a time to focus on this license. It comes with a lot of sacrifice. It comes with a lot of financial things, but I think everybody going for the real estate license has the same mindset of hustle, money. You want to be successful. You want financial freedom. We all have the same mindset of investing into real estate, like buying properties, buying land, business mindset. I don't know, that investing mindset and stuff. Number 5, I said, look at the bigger picture. I did this little paint on your PC, the little thing, and I added all these pictures. I put a vision board. It was like a vision board of everything I can look forward to because I just wasn't seeing the bigger picture, and I still don't now. I still don't know what it's going to be like showing a house, and I still don't know what it's going to be like selling my first house. Sometimes it feels like I'll never get there, but make a vision board if you have to, because sometimes it's hard to imagine actually going through with this, and actually sometimes I disassociate and I can't, did this really happen? Did I really pass my exam? And am I really gonna be a real estate agent? What's going on? I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm only 21 years old. I don't know what's going on. I couldn't see the bigger picture. And I think that's why I couldn't really invest time into studying. So yeah, if you're struggling, I would definitely invest in Prep Agent. If you hate studying, book your exam later in the day and wake up super early and just keep going. Number 1 thing that really distracted me is my phone. Studying is boring. It's hard. It's dreadful. And sometimes you just need to hide your phone from yourself, if that makes sense. Delete the distracting apps. So I think we all just want to be successful humans, and sometimes it's hard to break through that damn wall. It took me 2 years to pass this exam because I just have so much going on in my life, and I really don't know where this next chapter is going to bring me. But it's exciting. If you're watching this, you failed a few times, don't give up. There's a reason that you have this mindset, and there's a reason that you're going for this license, and I don't want you to give up. No matter how many tries it takes, keep going. It took a lot of strength. It took a lot of money. I think it was all worth it. Now that I passed it, it was all worth it, and I'm not worried about it. So, shout out to all my future real estate agents that are watching this. I wanted to give you guys some useful information, but also tell you the very exciting news. I'm not sure what this means for my channel. I will stop yapping. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.